Hi, I'm Jaden, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making foxes out of leaves. Did you know a male fox is called a dog fox and a female fox is called a vixen? Here's another fun fact. Foxes can run up to 45 miles per hour. Wow, that's fast. They are great hunters and runners. Are you ready to transform some leaves into cool foxes? The supplies you will need to create with me will appear on the screen. Please take a moment to pause the video to make sure you have everything you need. It was a beautiful day outside today, so I decided to go out and collect some leaves. And I found these three. All of these are great leaves, but I'm just going to choose one. And it's going to be this one. See? Okay, I'm going to move these two out of the way. Okay, so first I'm going to glue the leaf onto the paper. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to grab two circles that I cut from out of black paper and glue them on to the leaf. That's one done, and put that on the top in the middle of the leaf. Now I'm going to glue this one. Okay, done. Now I'm going to put that right next to the second circle. Next, I'm going to glue two googly eyes onto the black circles. Just like so. Just gonna glue that. Oh, I have to put it up a bit. Just gotta glue that. That's one. Look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to do the second one. All up in there. Okay, that's the second one. Now I'm going to grab two triangles cut out of black pieces of paper and glue them underneath the leaf. At the bottom of the triangle, just slide it under. This is going to be the second one. And just slide it right under. Now, I'm going to grab a pom pom, a black pom pom, and I'm just going to glue the pom pom, just like so, and just stick it right at the bottom. Well, there you have it, a fox made out of a leaf. See? I hope you had as much fun as I did. Until next time, don't forget to be awesome.